Wassily Birbelis, my man. Yes, look at this. Wassily requested the on-page funnel in English with Euro checkout payment system. It's there now in your affiliate dashboard of Builderall. Now you can target English-speaking countries, EU countries like Denmark, Norway, Finland, Sweden, Netherlands, France. Not French. No France. France is not an English speaking EU country. But anyway, so look at this now in the dashboard. Sales page, home, Builderall, English, Euro. So it's the same website, but everything is in Euro mode. All the prices, everything is in Euro. Looks like finally the world has adopted the Euro currency. But it's not true. It's just for English speaking countries who are stuck with Euro currency. So in the Builderall earnings calculator, at the bottom, you can find the cheat in Euro. Look at this. Everything changes, but it's still the same. It's just the prices, they change. But the commission rate, they are the same. The processing fee is the same, 10%. So you see, Builder is 18.90 euro. Marketer is 26.90 euro. Essential 44.90 euros. And premium is 59.90 euros. So you are thinking, well, yes, it's good. Of course, in euro it's a little bit less, but it's good. No, no way. Because people pay this price. People in Europe, they pay this price plus VAT. And it's not, VAT, value added taxes. And it's not a small taxes like this. Like in France, it's 20% of the price. In Belgium, 21%. And I don't know all the countries, they don't have, of course, in Europe, they don't have the same percentage of tax. So let's say in France, they pay 59.90 euros plus VAT, which is 20%. So it's about 72 euros, which in dollar makes $82 per month to get the premium plan of Builderall, which costs $69.90 in the USA. 69, and in France it's 82. But the software is not in French. It's a bit translated, but you don't have the community, you don't have all the video tutorials, you have nothing, you have just the tools and some translation, but not perfect, far from perfect, and that's it. So you see why it's not very convenient, and if you use Builderall, you have to use it in English. So, but you are paying the price of euro plus VAT. So they say, yeah, but if you are a professional, if you don't pay the VAT, it's false. You pay the VAT as a professional. There are some statutes where you pay it. Of course, there are some statutes where you can deduct it from the VAT that you collect on your own sales. Customer pays the VAT, and you can deduct the one you pay yourself. But you are paying it when you buy the software. You pay it, and then maybe you can deduct it. But some professionals, they cannot deduct it at all. It's not in their statute. Anyway, doesn't matter. Who cares? But it's just to tell you that this change is not very well accepted in France, where the price has risen. But of course, now the positive point is that we don't need to look at the premium anymore. We can look at the builder plan. So the builder plan is only 18.90 plus VAT, which will add about 4 or 5 euros. So let's say 25 euros. At 25 euros, you can see what you have as the builder plan. That's better than 72 euros. So the building earning calculators in euros is the same. Here you change only the green cells. You write direct sales, how many plans you can sell. Then you write for your affiliates, how many on average they can sell. And here you write how many affiliates you have. And it will calculate the gross earnings and minus the processing fee, so you get your net earnings. As you probably know, but you can find it here. There are some commission rates, 30%, 40% on your 2 levels. The first month on your own level is 100%, and on your second tier level, it's 0%. So you don't earn anything on the first month of your second chair. And the processing fee rate is 10% of the commission, not of the plan value. So let's say for 30%, 10% processing fee is 3% of the plan price. So in fact, as a net earning, you are earning 27% recurring as a net earnings. And here you have the graphic to show you in blue your direct sales monthly recurring commission, and in red second tier sales monthly recurring commissions. So you want to look at this number. And of course, there is a monthly lifestyle bonus, which is $500 or $1,000 if you get 100 or 200 customers on your direct sales on any plan. So it can be a 50 premium, 30 essential, 20 marketer, and 10 you get my point. So any plan, 100 you get $500 recurring commission. So I don't know in euro how much is this bonus. Maybe it's just $500 and you convert it. I don't know this. So that's it. If you want to download this spreadsheet and use it for yourself or to show other people the affiliate program of Builderall, then you get the link in the description and you go to Google Sheet to this page. But there you don't need to request access. You just need to go to File, here File, make a copy, and it will make a copy of this in your Google account. And then once it's copied, you can edit it as you wish. You can change, here I put made by justdoall.com, like here, but you can change it and you can play with the green cells and show in a webinar, show the numbers, earnings, potential. And at the bottom of this spreadsheet, you have the sheets in euro, in dollars, and also you can compare it to the old compensation plan. Look at this. I click on old compensation plan. It was just as a joke. Maybe you don't need to show it. It was a joke, really. But I let it here because I took some time to do it. You think it's finished? No, it goes down also. You have more. This was the new compensation plan, wonderful. It was in last summer 2019. Crazy. With points and things. Bad memories, really. But now it's finished. It came back to sanity. Anyway, bye bye. If you want to, by the way, if you want to ask me any question on anything related to computer, affiliate marketing, Builderall, or other things, leave me a comment. I'm still here. I get notifications, so I can answer. Anything you want, you can go in the comment. If it's not in 2030, because by then maybe I will be dead. But now, if it's now, you see this video, I'm still here on the computer. Bye bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot, you don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response, drag and drop your site, or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture they sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. all. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A builder, all rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builder Raw's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builder Raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builder Raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.